Hello Variable Traders, this is Adam, and I'd like to share my trading setup with you guys. I started BBT about 7 or 8 months ago, and I decided to get the lifetime about 4 months ago, and it's probably been the best decision I've made in my trading journey so far. And this is what I'd like to call the budget build, because I am currently 20 years old. I joined when I was 19, and you really don't need anything expensive to get started trading. So with this budget build here, I have a 32-inch and a 24-inch 1080p HP monitors. I got the 32-inch for about $200 and the 24-inch for about $70. I didn't really need 4K because you don't really need that for looking at charts and numbers. This setup is pretty much just for trading purposes and also doing homework too, so I don't need anything fancy. My PC over here I got for $700. It was off Amazon. It was refurbished. I'll show you the specs here. Specs are more than what you need for running these monitors. It's got 16 gigs of RAM, Core i7, and I've had no problems with it. My keyboard and mouse, it came with my PC, and they work perfectly fine. Don't need anything flashy. Does the job. So how I have my monitor set up here, I have the chat room and my executions on one monitor. I made some profit on Delta Airlines this morning. Then over here I watched 3 stocks at once, 3 charts each. I watched the 5-3 and the 1 minute chart for each stock, and then I have the level 2 lined up right next to it. I currently have TD Ameritrade for charts. I have an account with them just so I can get free charts. They're a little bit laggy, but they do the job. My account's not even funded. I basically just use them for charts and that's it. And then I also have a CMEG account. It's a small account that I'm trying to build up, just trading really small size. And I've had no issues with them so far. Their executions have been pretty good, and I'm pretty satisfied. I prefer to use the TD Ameritrade charts over the CMEG charts, just for personal preference. I like the look of them better. I think they're easier to use for technical analysis and everything like that. Yeah. On the wall over here, I got all my hotkeys written down just in case if I forget. I've honestly never forgot it so far, so I don't know why it's still up there, but I mean, you never know. And my desktop is pretty much just completely filled with recordings, screenshots of different setups, everything like that. And over here, I got some books that I bought. Bought this one a while ago. I also have Brian's book, How to Swing Trade. I actually didn't get started by reading Andrew's book with BBT. I actually heard Andrew in a podcast one time talk about Variable Traders, and I decided to join. Variable Traders is, I think, the 4th chat room I've been in so far, and I have no plans of leaving it. Here I have a little trading journal. I just write down all my trades and executions, what I did wrong, stuff like that. At the end of every week, I go over it, see what I'm good at, see what I'm not. My desk here I bought for about 20 bucks from my cousin. It used to have a wood top to it, but I put some vinyl on it. It was like $5 at Walmart. And yeah, if I were to win this contest and win the iPhone 11, that'd be pretty amazing, not gonna lie, because I've had the same phone for about 3 years now, and it's completely cracked, and I'm really in need of a new one. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.